All right, folks, today we're looking at 4500 South Galvez Street. We're on the Uptown side of Napoleon in Broadmoor. I'm just going to give you a neighborhood character shot here because this really is an exquisite location. We're on a commanding corner lot, oversized. Now I'll take you inside. We've got 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. We're offering this property at $479,000. I really love this porch. Got a great view. And I like the way it's curved like that. I know a car just drove down the street, but I haven't been seeing many. It really is a quiet stretch. Here's the home itself. Got 1 bedroom. This one's got an ensuite closet and bathroom. Here's that closet. And here's the bathroom. This home has a lot of historic features. It really does feel like a historic home. There's our shower and bath. Here's another bedroom for us. This one's got a closet as well. There really is just tons of storage in this house. I was noticing that as I went around and turned on lights. This one's also got its own bathroom ensuite. This one just has the shower. This home really has a great feel to it. I love these thin boards for the wood floors. They kind of have a very European feel to them. Like I said, tons of storage. A little linen closet right here with some built-in cabinets. Here's our kitchen with the herringbone wood floors. I think they did an exquisite job renovating this kitchen. I love the marble offset with the wood and the white cabinets. And this is what I mean by herringbone wood floors. That sort of V shape that repeats. Stainless steel high-end appliances. A little sitting area here and these built-in cabinets. Now we come to our formal dining room. I like the light fixtures and a lot of the design choices they made throughout this home. I think were very successful. Here we've got our living room, and as you can see, the furniture really suits the room. That helps to tie it all together. I like these French doors here as well. And of course, more storage. This is a coat closet. Now I'll take y'all downstairs. And downstairs there's even more storage. I like those automatic lights as well. So they have this kind of set up as a playroom. Could be another bedroom down here. Or you could close it off and turn this into its own rental suite. Got a full bathroom down here. More storage. Like these all wood doors down here. And check this out. This takes us below that beautiful front porch, and they've utilized this space as even more storage. I think it's important to do that. There's very little wasted space in this entire home. Over here we've got even more storage, so this would really be the perfect house for a family. That's another door to the outside. Here is another storage space. And now I'll take us into the garage. It's rare to find a garage in this area, but it's very important to have. This is a well-maintained garage as well. Here's our washer dryer. And there's the unifying theme, even more storage. And another refrigerator down here as well. So that's the downstairs and most of the interior features. I'm going to take us back outside so you can situate yourself on the block. New Orleans is so beautiful, isn't it? Well, I thank you for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. Again, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's office of Gardner Realtors, taking you through 4500 South Galvez Street in Broadmoor. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and we're offering it at $479,000. I thank you for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And just let me know if you have any questions about the property. Also, feel free to contact Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004.